Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Store apps or games stuck on queued or checking dependencies on a Windows PC. First, make sure your date, time zone, and region are correct. Right-click the date and time on the taskbar, open Adjust Date and Time, enable Set Time Automatically, and set time zone automatically, then click Sync Now. Also, check the correct country or region in Language and Region. Next, clear the Microsoft Store cache. Search for WS Reset in Windows Search and run it. This will reset the store automatically. If the issue continues, search for Microsoft Store, right-click it, open App Settings, click Terminate, then Repair, and if needed, click Reset. You can also delete the Microsoft Store local cache folder. Open File Explorer, go to C Drive, Users, your username, App Data, Local, Packages. Find the Microsoft.Windows Store folder, open it, and delete the local cache folder. After that, open Services and make sure Microsoft Store Install Service, Windows Update, and Background Intelligent Transfer Service are set to automatic and running. One of these methods should help fix Microsoft Store downloads, stuck on queued, or checking dependencies. Thanks for watching, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel.